Nowadays, the camera is one of the most important aspects of any smartphone you buy, especially when you are traveling without a dedicated camera. While the camera lens quality of smartphone improves each year, with the size of the pixels getting bigger every year, on the other hand, it still can't compete with a standalone DSLR camera, unless you buy a smartphone lens kit. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nitish, and if you are looking for a best mobile camera lens on Amazon, then today in this video I'm gonna tell you about a camera lens that I found on Amazon and is the best camera lens for professional photography, and now you don't need to carry your heavy DSLR camera because this lens is just amazing as DSLR camera. So make sure you stick until the end of the video and subscribe to my channel for free lens giveaway. So let's just dive in. So if you are looking for a smartphone camera lens kit on Amazon, then there are many other camera lenses out there. But the Envo Pro lens kit that I found on Amazon was dramatically the best and the improved smartphone camera lens ever. And talking about this lens, I have personally used this lens and the camera performance and the picture quality was just exceptional. The Zenvo Pro lens kit is compatible with all the smartphones. The kit includes of a 2 lens, a wide angle lens and a macro lens, and other than this it has easy attachment available for free. Now talking about the features of Zenvo Pro lens kit, it is compatible with single and dual camera phones. The lens in this kit are highly versatile and premium. The best thing about this lens is that you can mount and unmount the lens so easily, and with the help of easy to follow instructions, you can use these lenses without any delay to capture the perfect movement picture for photography. The Zenvo Pro lens kit consists of 2 lenses, which includes 0.45x wide angle lens and a 15x macro lens. Both lenses are entirely different and are amazing lens for photography. The 0.45x lens allows you to capture 45-degree more picture scenario, and this lens is suitable for capturing landscape, architecture, and a wide variety of other scenes. And on the other hand, the 15x lens can magnify nearby objects. As a result, if you are looking for a close-up photos or if you want detailings of any object in close-up, then this is the lens that you can use. And with the help of the razor sharp focus and precision of this lens, you can even get excellent close-up shots. And as per my opinion, this is the best lens that I have ever used for any smartphone. Now along with the 2 lens, you will get a rechargeable LED light and the charging cable and a durable case which makes this kit portable. Other than this, you will get a lanyard and a cleaning cloth. With the help of these accessories, it is so easy to use the lens, and now you don't need to buy any extra accessories separately. Overall, the Zenvo Pro lens kit is complete package for professional mobile camera lens kit. The lenses of Zenvo Pro offers rectilinear correction. So basically it means that the irrespective of angle and the lines in the photo will appear straight, and this will create a vignette effect that will enhance your photographs. With the help of the German optical grade glass, capturing edge-to-edge image is now possible with this lens. You will not have to worry about dark corners and low light. As I told you before, the kit comes with a rechargeable LED light and you can clip it onto a phone so easily. The advantage of this light is that you can easily illuminate the entire surroundings. You can choose between 3 different intensity settings like low, medium and high. The LED light helps you to capture perfect picture in a single go rather than having to take various retakes. This light further increases the functionality of the lens kit. As you can see, this lens kit consists of all features you might look for in a smartphone lens camera kit, and this is the best mobile camera lens on Amazon. It can significantly increase the smartphone camera clarity and efficiency. Before you make any decision on buying this lens, you can go through the pros and cons of this lens. Now talking about the pros of Zenvo Pro lens kit, it consists of 2 unique lenses, comes with all needed accessories, easy to clip on your smartphone, helps you to take close-up as well as wide shots, and this lens is highly versatile. Now moving on to the cons of this lens, it has only one con, that is the lens of Zenvo Pro is a bit bulky, and I don't think that it is a much issue. And what I feel that being a bit bulky feels like it is a premium quality lens. So overall, if you are looking for ways to enhance your camera, this kit is perfect option for you. The Zenvo Pro Lens Kit can help you take shots with excellent clarity right from your smartphone. You will not have to carry on bulky cameras when using this smartphone kit when you are using this lens kit. Also, with the help of the various accessories and two different lenses on offer, it is significantly better than many of its peers. You can buy this lens on Amazon, and I have mentioned the link of this lens in the description box below. So guys, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then do hit the like button and do let me know in the comment section below that which DSLR camera or mobile camera lens extension you are using it right now. And if you want more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Take care.